Let's build your new dollhouse from Nova USA collection. It's simple and fun to build. I'll show you how. Start by laying out all the pieces of the house: the roof, side walls, window trim, the other half of the roof, and the floors. Set aside the furniture pieces for right now. We'll build the furniture after we build the house. And the front wall of the house. We're starting with the back wall of the house flat on your table. Now we'll add the floor pieces. Note there's a bit of difference between the two larger floor pieces. It's important to get them in the right places, as shown. Now add the interior wall and the two outside walls on the right side of the house. Downstairs and upstairs. Now add the outside wall on the left. Adding this piece allows you to get all the pieces lined up and fitting into their grooves. Make sure everything is fitting snugly. Now add the front of the house. Line it up and snap it into place. And now turn your house upright. Time to give your house a roof. The hinged piece is for the front of the roof, and the hinges go on the outside. There are slots on it for the tabs on the walls to fit into. Line them up and snap into place. The back part of the roof fits on in the same way. The hinged roof lets your dolls play in the large attic of your house. Now, let's add the pretty trim to your house's windows. There are 4 of them. You can see here how they line up with the windows. Use a little white glue, such as Elmer's or wood glue, to attach the trim to the outside walls of your house. It's time to build the furniture. Let's put together your living room furniture. Each couch and armchair has 4 pieces: the seat, the back, and the 2 sides. The tabs slide right into the slots. If you attach a piece in the wrong spot, no worries, you can easily change it. The other furniture pieces go together just as simply. You can rearrange the furniture each time you play. This doll family is going to have dinner on the balcony today, but you can move the table and chairs indoors if you prefer, or in case it's raining or snowing in your doll's world. We at Nova USA Collection hope this dollhouse will bring you and your doll family years of happy play and learning. Have fun!